Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Honestly, I have like 3 other things to unbox for you, but I wanted to share this before the Murakami moment passes. So let's get into it. Now, I was never a huge fan of the multicolor collection. My mom actually bought a multicolor Speedy back in the day. Maybe I can show it to you. But I am generally a neutrals, desaturated colors girly. Call me boring, but I like what I like. So I always thought that the Murakami pieces were almost too colorful and cutesy for me. Fast forward 20 years and the re-release actually had me contemplating like several pieces. But again, the pieces like the new Nano Speedy and a lot of the SLGs, they're so cute, but they're almost too cute for me. I just knew that I would never really wear them, so when I was browsing, those things weren't really on my radar. I was looking at more of the like fringe pieces or what I thought would be fringe pieces, like the J notebook, the notebook cover, the passport holder, the pencil case, even the coffee mug. But unsurprisingly, even those were exorbitantly priced, and I didn't want to go overboard because like I had just bought a bag. The only thing I really wanted for sure was the J notebook, but I was going back and forth on whether I should try to get something else, and eventually I just overwhelmed myself and said, F it, I'm not gonna bother trying to get anything at all. It's gonna be a headache anyway, and I need not get sucked into the hype. And of course, launch day comes and goes, everything is sold out, so I just figured, okay, I missed the boat, so no biggie. Not to mention the launch was a mess for so many reasons. But then something told me to just set a stock alert for one of those pieces, and a few days later, I was sitting at my desk minding my own business and I got a notification from the Louis Vuitton app that that product was back in stock. I'm telling you, I snapped that thing up so fast because I really just needed to scratch the itch without, dropping hundreds, thousands of dollars. And the item I got did that perfectly. I'm entirely satisfied now. It did take a few weeks to get here, but it has arrived. So here is the multicolor Murakami Jane notebook in the size. It measures roughly 5 by 8 by 0.5 inches, and it features a fabric hardcover printed with the iconic large multicolor motif on the front and the back. According to the website, there are 33 high definition colors against the white background, so a lot of variety. And I don't actually think the colors repeat all that much, with a few exceptions. The notebook has a really pretty baby blue elastic closure that extends over the front and really beautiful gold gilding along the edges. There's actually another version of this notebook with the panda on it, but I really just wanted the multicolor print, so I didn't really even look into the availability of the other one. But anyway, when you open it up, it reveals the multicolor motif and baby blue introductory pages. There's also a silk baby blue placeholder in the middle, and I don't know if you can see it, but each page is also lightly stamped with the LV logo. The back of the notebook also has the multicolor pages and a baby blue closing page. And here is the Murakami stamp for this collection, which I think is really cute. Apparently, this item is meant to be used with the Emily notebook cover, and honestly, I thought this was like the best item to get without spending an arm and a leg. I was really lucky to get it actually, and it allows me to have a small piece of the collection without spending thousands. Will I use it? Probably not. She's mostly here for decor, but again, at this price, I won't be mad at that. She did cost more than a regular Jane notebook, but not by too much. I paid 163 Canadian dollars after tax, and the regular Jane notebook in the size would run just under 120 Canadian dollars post-tax. So not a huge difference. But yeah, I think it's cute. The only thing I wish were different is that I wish the baby blue accents were baby pink, but that's just me. In terms of packaging, I did get the ribbon, the stickers, and the little panda charm, but no shopping tote or tissue paper. I mean, we've all heard about the packaging drama associated with this collection, so I'm happy I got the packaging that I did because so many people got regular packaging, which is absurd in my opinion. Like, if you're going to market the packaging not only in your gifted campaigns, but literally on the website beside every single item, then everyone should get that packaging. Like, it's part of the product. But anyway, that's all I have for you today, friends. Let me know what you think. Did you get anything from the 2025 Louis Vuitton Murakami collection? Do you even like this collection? I know a few of you weren't interested in it at all, but if you were, or if you bought something, or if you've managed to order or receive the items you wanted or not, or even if like you didn't think you'd like the collection, but then you went crazy like I did and actually did buy something, I'd love to hear your experiences. Other than that, as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!